Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share. In this video, I am going to discuss on Fourier series. Another one simple example on to find the Fourier series of a periodic function defined by f of x equal to 2x minus x square in the interval 0 less than x less than 3. I have to find out. First of all, the interval is alpha to alpha plus 2l is nothing but 0 to 3, which implies alpha equal to 0 and 2l equal to 3 minus 0, which is equal to 3. That is l equal to 3 by 2. I am going to get, and the period is period 2l equal to 3. Okay, for this one Fourier series is given by Fourier series is given by f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by l plus bn into sin n pi x by l. This is the required Fourier series. In this, l equal to 3 by 2 I have to substitute, and let me check after 3 by 2 substitution what I am going to get here. That is a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity n into cos of n pi x divided by l. L is 3 by 2. I will take it as 2 by 3 plus bn into sin n pi x divided by l. L is nothing but again 3 by 2. That equal 2 by 3. Okay. This is the required Fourier series. Now, to find the Fourier coefficients one by one, a naught is given by 1 by l integration from alpha to alpha plus 2l f of x into dx. L is nothing but 3 by 2. That will become 2 by 3 integration from 0 to 3. Alpha to alpha plus 2l is 0 to 3. My f of x is 2x minus x square into dx. Integrate this. 2 by 3 constant, integration of 2x is 2x square by 2 minus x square integration is x cube divided by 3 between the limits 0 to 3. 2 cancels, upper limit minus lower limit I have to evaluate. That is 2 by 3 into x square 3 square minus again upper limit, that is 3 cube divided by 3 minus lower limit x equal to 0, 0 minus 0, 3 ones are 3 2 cancels, therefore equal to 0. My a naught value is 0. Like that, Fourier coefficient an is defined as 1 by l integration from alpha to alpha plus 2l f of x into cos n pi x by l into dx. That is l is nothing but again 3 by 2. L is 3 by 2. That will become 2 by 3 integration from 0 to 3 f of x is 2x minus x square into cos n pi x divided by l. L is 3 by 2. Reciprocate it 2 by 3 into dx. Now to integrate this one, use the Bernoulli's rule. That it becomes 2 by 3 into 2x minus x square, integration of cos will become sin 2n pi x divided by 3 whole divided by 2n pi by 3 minus differential of 2x minus x square, that is 2 minus 2x into integration of sin will become minus cos of 2n pi x divided by 3 whole divided by 2n pi by 3 plus differential of 2 minus 2x will become minus 2 into the integration of cos minus cos will become minus sine 2n pi x divided by 3 whole, and it's a square here, and next one will become 2n pi x 2 pi divided by 3 cube third between the limits 0 to 3. For a 3, okay, if you put 3 here, x equal to 3, 3 cancels, that will become 2n pi. Sine 2n pi is 0, and lower limit also will become 0. Sine containing terms again both will become 0. Only this term I have to evaluate. That is 2 by 3 into minus of minus plus 2 minus 2x into cos 2n pi x by 3. Okay, and this one I can write outside again, or this one, that is 3 square divided by 2n pi square within the limits 0 to 3. Therefore, one of the 3 cancels, and one of the 2 cancels. One of the 2, that is equal to 3 divided by 2n square pi square into upper limit x equal to 3. 2 minus 2 into 3 6 into cos of 2n pi x divided by x is the 3 divided by 3 minus lower limit x equal to 0. 2 minus 0 into cos of 0. Okay, this is substitution. Then 3 cancels here. I am going to get it as 3 divided by 2n square pi square into minus 4. Okay, and it is cos 2n pi will become minus 1 raised to 2n minus 2 into cos 0 is 1. Simplify this. Minus 1 raised to 3 minus 1 raised to 2n is plus 1. Minus 4 minus 2 will become minus 6. 3 divided by 2n square pi square into minus 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore it is minus 9 divided by, okay, my an value is minus 9 divided by n square pi square is my an. In similar fashion, I have to calculate for bn now. Now Fourier's coefficient bn is defined to be 1 by L integration from alpha to alpha plus 2L into f of x into sine n pi x divided by L dx. And here L is nothing but 3 by 2, therefore it will become 2 by 3 integration from 0 to 3. F of x is 2x minus x square into sine of n pi x divided by L. L is 3 by 2, therefore it will become 2 by 3 into dx. Now again integration of this one can be done using Bernoulli's rule, that is 2x minus x square into difference integration of this is minus cos of 2n pi x divided by 3 and whole divided by 2n pi divided by 3 minus differential of this is 2 minus 2x. Differential of 2x is 2, x square is 2x into integration of this minus sine of 2n pi x divided by 3 and again whole divided by 2n pi divided by 3 the square plus differential of this 2 minus 2x. 2 minus 2x is minus 2 into integral minus is there already, integration of sign will become minus of minus plus cos of 2n pi x divided by 3 and whole divided by 2n pi divided by 3 cube between the limits 0 to 3. For this one again a sign containing term for both upper limit and lower limit, this will become 0. For these two terms I have to substitute the limit, that is 2 by 3 upper limit x equal to 3, 2 into 3 6 minus 3 square, that is 9 into minus cos 2n pi 3 divided by 3 whole divided by 2n pi divided by 3. This is my upper limit. Sorry, for this term also I have to substitute minus 2 into plus of minus 2 into cos of 2n pi 3 divided by 3 whole divided by 2n pi divided by 3 the cube. This is my upper limit minus lower limit x equal to 0. First term totally 0 minus second term plus minus 2 into cos 0 divided by 2n pi divided by 3 bracket cube. Let me simplify this one by one. That is 2 by 3 into minus 3. Okay, here 3 cancels, one more minus is there. Okay, into cos 2n pi is minus 1 raised to 2n divided by 2n pi into reciprocated this one 3 minus 2 into cos 3 cancels, 2n pi is minus 1 raised to 2n divided by 2 cube is nothing but 8. 2 cube is 8 n cube pi cube into 3 cube is 27. Okay, now I can write it as 2 ones are 2 fours are, therefore it is a 4 and here it is a 27. Okay, and this is a plus, therefore these two terms are going to cancel again. Okay, this is equal to, it is 2 cancels, 3 ones are 3 3s are, therefore 3 divided by n pi I am going to get this by bn is 3 divided by n pi. Finally, Fourier series f of x, that is 2x minus x square equal to a naught divided by 2. A naught is 0 divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an. My an value is minus 9 divided by n square pi square into cos n pi x divided by l. L is the what? 3 by 2. 2 I will take here plus bn. Bn is 3 divided by n pi into sin n pi x divided by l. L is 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3 I can write. Okay, this is my, or finally I can write it as 2x minus x square equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity. Okay, n to infinity minus 9 divided by n square pi square into cos 2n pi x by 3 plus 3 by n pi into sin 2n pi x divided by 3 I can write. This is the required Fourier series for this one. Okay, like this, some more examples I am going to solve. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications. Like this video, comment and also share this video to your friends. Thank you friends.